LifeSpan TR1200 DT3, which we consider the best luxury under-desk treadmill on the market in 2024. Particularly suited for individuals with standing desks, the LifeSpan TR1200 DT3 offers an excellent blend of functionality and comfort. The treadmill features a table-mounted Bluetooth console that is user-friendly and simple to navigate. Its spacious, comfortable deck is ideal for all users, including those on the heavier side. Although it comes with a higher price tag, it's still less expensive than its TR5000 counterpart. The product supports a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds. One of the most impressive aspects of the TR1200 DT3 is its quiet operation, facilitated by smart step technology. The Bluetooth console is not only easy to operate, but also conveniently accessible from a standing desk. If you're a frequent user or prefer intense walking sessions and have a large standing desk, this underdesk treadmill could be your perfect match. The aesthetic appeal of the TR1200 DT3 is truly unique. With dimensions of 160 centimeters in length, 72 centimeters in width, and 18 centimeters in height, this solid midnight matte machine comes equipped with 2 front wheels. It arrives almost ready to use straight out of the box. Simply move it to your preferred location and it's good to go. The only assembly required is connecting the console to the treadmill. However, given its bulkiness and weight, storing it can be quite a challenge unless you have ample space. In terms of design, the TR1200 DT3 ticks all the boxes for a walking-specific treadmill. It doesn't feature an incline, as per ergonomist recommendations, to prevent unnecessary stress on your back and joints. The maximum speed is 4 miles per hour, suitable for a brisk walk or light run. The console is packed with numerous handy features. It can be attached to the treadmill or operated via Bluetooth, providing flexibility in placement. It includes a built-in step counter that helps you keep track of your daily steps, aiming for the recommended 10,000. It also records standard metrics such as time, distance, and calories. You can input your height and weight for a more precise calorie and step tracking.